Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to apply for disability compensation benefits for veterans. These benefits are designed to provide financial assistance to those who have served in the military and have sustained a service-connected disability. Step 1. The first step in applying for disability compensation benefits is to gather all your relevant information. This includes your service records, medical records, and any documentation related to your disability. You can obtain your service records from the National Archives and Records Administration and your medical records from the Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, or your healthcare provider. Step 3. Once you have determined your eligibility, you can begin the application process. You can apply for disability compensation benefits online through the VA's eBenefits portal, or by completing a paper application and submitting it to your nearest VA regional office. The paper application can be downloaded from the VA's website. Step 4. When completing the application, be sure to provide as much detail as possible about your disability and how it is related to your military service. The more information you provide, the better your chances of receiving a favorable decision. You can also provide any supporting documentation, such as medical records or statements from witnesses. Step 5. After you have submitted your application, you will receive a decision from the VA. This can take several months, so it's important to be patient. If your application is approved, you will receive a disability rating and monthly compensation. If your application is denied, you have the option to appeal the decision. Conclusion. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to apply for disability compensation benefits for veterans. If you have any questions, be sure to visit the VA's website or speak with a VA representative. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.